Hello fellow traders, I am going to introduce a new signal on Canadian dollar versus Swiss franc. Don't miss out on our daily buy and sell signals for different currency pairs and cryptocurrencies on CADCHF Forex Academy channel. Subscribe us now for everyday profitable signals.
Are you a trader? Aren't you profitable yet? Do you need a free consultation? Go to the CADCHF Forex Academy website. Select Consultant Appointment in the main menu and finally set up an appointment to talk with our experts.
Thank you for your kind attention. CADCHF Forex Academy is dedicated to providing you with weekly Forex and crypto analysis and forecast. Stay informed with our daily Forex and crypto signals. Support us by liking, commenting, and subscribing to receive our valuable signals and analysis.